what is internal CSS? Well, internal CSS allows us to create style block inside of our HTML document in head HTML block. So inside of style block, we can define CSS selectors that we can use to apply CSS styles on HTML elements in that HTML page. So to use internal CSS, we first need to define style block with style HTML tags, and then inside of style block, we can define any CSS selectors that we can use in that HTML page. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate to our PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.